okay. You came back. Yeah. It's been so long. So long.
Well, after I put the stones back, I thought maybe I'll try some of that life Tony was telling me to get. How'd that work out for you? It was beautiful.